Welcome back to Fuzyfuzshow. I'm Rita. So today I will be making a kite. So my sister we got this kite, and my sister Flavia has been disturbing me and telling me, Rita, come on, please, can you help me build the kite, please? So today I decided to make it for her. And this kite is from ezbreezy, so it's going to be pretty easy to make it, to assemble it. So let's do it. So right here I have the string and a ring, two of the things that we're going to put in the, I think they're called like the sticks, and we have the kite itself and the tails. So first it's a Barbie kite. So we're gonna take this, and we're gonna take the ring first, and we're gonna put it through this top loop like this. We're gonna put it like this. It's a bit windy, so let me try. So we'll put it through here, and then as you can see, I put it like that, so then it won't be able to like fall off. And then, oh my gosh, it's so windy. And then I'm gonna put it through this hole. Okay, the hole at the bottom, we're gonna put it in. We're gonna pull it out like that, so then it can look like this, like that. Then we're gonna flip it upside down. And as you can see, this long line, stick line, whatever it's called, the bottom. So we're going to remove it from the bottom and put this, there's going to be a loop there, so we're going to put it in. So, and before we put it back in, we're going to take the tails, the end of the tails. We're going to take the end of the tails and put it through. And we're going to take the other tail and put it through. And after that, I'm gonna return it back in. Oh, and the top part accidentally came out, so I'm gonna put it back in. And right now, it looks like this. Long tails with the ring. And then next, we're gonna flip it back upside down, like this. And there's gonna be two holes here and this thing here. And we're gonna, remember the two sticks from before? We're gonna take this, put it through, and we're basically just gonna like put it in. And it's gonna take a while to like be able to like put it in, because not a while, but it's gonna be like, it's gonna take a little while to like put it in, because it might like start cooling off. So maybe like put it from there, the clear end, to this part, to the middle, and that's how it looks like so far. So now we're gonna flip it to the side where it has like the cartoon of whatever. And as you can see, like the ring, it goes up and down. So then we're gonna take the string and we're gonna tie it like we're gonna like make a knot with it first. We're gonna like put this in right here, and then we're gonna tie it. Really tight. We're gonna tie it really tight, so then it won't like come loose. Because if you won't tie it pretty much like really tight, but not like super tight. If you won't tight it like tight, it will like probably when we're gonna start flying it, it's probably just gonna like come loose, and then it's just gonna fall. And if there's like trees around, it could probably like fly with the wind and then get stuck, and nobody wants that. So you can tie it for like 2 or 3 times, and then when you tie it like amount of time, oh, I lost my spot where I was tying it. When you like tied it and one more time. I'm gonna tighten it one more time. 3. Oh my gosh. It keeps on like coming off my fingers, so like it keeps on slipping off. So I'm gonna like take a while. Alright, come on. Now it is okay. Now you have your kite. Now guys, the kite is ready for my sister and I to fly it. Come on, Pablo. And guys, make sure to fly it on a windy day. Never fly it near buildings or trees, tall buildings. Come on, Bobby.
Can I tell them something?
Yeah, come on.
You can buy a kite in Amazon, or you can buy it in a shop.
Store.
So,
See guys, it's flying. Woo! Go, Barbie! Can I try flying it?
yeah.
Whoa, a lot of string came out. And guys, make sure when you're flying it, you don't like if it gets stuck on a tree, ask a parent or an adult to help you get it out.
Trust
Trust an adult to get it out of the tree. All right, let me try. 3, 2, come on, Barbie, fly.
Yes,
Barbie.